folks, so I bought more stuff at auction. This was an online auction that I pick up stuff from. About a half hour away, so not too far to drive. I did consign a bunch of stuff as well and didn't do quite as well as I'd hoped, but got rid of stuff anyway. But anyway, so we'll see what I bought right here. First of all was this dispensing, probably for water or something to that effect. Not sure exactly what for, but it was a whole $2. So this particular sale, stuff was going pretty cheap. Unfortunately, my stuff was in it, so I didn't do terribly well, but at least I bought well. Anyway, so this was $2. And then I got a can of oil cans. And this cost me, let's see, $9. So, let's see what cans we've got here. Got a badly dented Endurance BA. And got another Endurance BA, not as badly dented, still good and saleable. I've got another Endurance, slightly different one, darker blue, heavy duty brake fluid tumbler, and let's see, a BA here, just a standard BA, although it's kind of an oddball. That one's a little different. Lube, that'll just go to the scrap. And another Endurance BA. And a Rotella T. That one's pretty rough. That one could be just thrown out. That's a cardboard can. They're not worth a whole lot. Mint even. Well, 35, something like that. This condition's pretty beat. I might just put a little tag on it that says free and let somebody find it. Okay, and then, if I can get up now. Okay, also got this enamelware. Cost me $15 for this whole lot of enamelware. Got some nice blue swirl there, or blue speckle type, including the coffee pot. No lid on the coffee pot, unfortunately. And I should note that at the end of this, I'm going to show you the neatest items that I got from this lot, or from this sale. Okay, I got a pair of boxing gloves, and they were all of $2 as well. So relatively reasonable, very reasonable. And then some light shades that cost me, what did they cost? $12.50. Hopefully they're not broken now, because I did drop something on them. Did get this Dutch one, which is kind of cool. Hopefully it's not cracked or anything. And a blank one here. And then a 1950s kind of funky one here. I used to throw these out all the time, but now they're saleable. Then got some football, some sorry, not NFL, some CFL football magazines, or magazines, not brochures, programs. This one is for Edmonton versus Winnipeg. Oh, that one's in rough shape, unfortunately. Oh man, I didn't know it was like that. I didn't see the back in the photos. Oh boy. Anyway, that was normally a $65, $75 program. That condition, it's not going to be that. Probably more like 35 or something. We've got a Calgary versus Winnipeg. And hopefully it's in better shape. Yes, much better. So that's a good one too. That's probably a $65 program. Something like that. Calgary Stampeders 1970. Not sure what that one will be. I think 35, 40, something like that. And I think the programs cost me $40 for the lot. So yeah. There was another in the back here. This is a little difficult with one hand here, but okay. And this one was Winnipeg Blue Bombers versus the Rough Riders. Again, not in the condition I thought it was in. That's unfortunate. But I'll still make money, so that's fine. Alright. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Here we go. Put those back. There, just set them over here. And then got a bunch of phones. And the phones cost me whole $8. So I got kind of a mid-century modern push button there. Or 80s, I guess, is probably what that is. And some rotaries. 3 rotaries by the looks of it. 2 black. Yep, 2 black and 1 beige. So I've got some cleanup there. Then the last 2 items, like I said, I wanted to show you. One was a diver's knife, a Vietnam era diver's knife. So that was pretty cool. It's a Seahawk. So that was neat. Very happy with it. It cost me $72.50, but this Seahawk knife is worth around $2.50 or $2.25. So that's pretty cool. If you're into military knives, that's a neat piece right there. A Seahawk right there. Watch, I'm going to cut myself. This one hasn't. I don't think this one's ever been used or in service. Probably surplus of some kind. But a Seahawk military diver's knife. Very cool, very cool. And then the other neat piece, after I put this safely down, yikes, was this ball and cage right here. And I know exactly when it was carved, because it says so right on it. October 18th, AD, 1901. So 1901 AD, so 1901. Isn't that cool? And it's in the shape of a steeple, the snake going around a piece in the middle, and the ball is a solid piece in the cage. Isn't that cool? I love that. A little bit damaged, unfortunately, but it's still a good piece. Paid $22.50 for that. I'm thinking, because of the damage, I'm thinking $75 to $100. Without the damage, it could have been over that. But anyway, that's what I'm thinking. Gonna do a little more research to see what similar pieces that are this intricate are going for, and kind of go from there. But that's tentatively what I'm thinking. Anyway, that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other videos on antiquing, picking, thrifting, scrapping, etc. Take care, folks. Oh, and I did miss 2 things. Was a coal scuttle and watering can. So yeah, missed those. But anyway, that's what they are right there. And they cost not a whole lot. Again, cost $6. So I'll get 25 or 30 for the coal scuttle and maybe 10, 15 for the watering can without the spout. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Take care.